In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add beneficiary on a Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have a Robinhood application on your phone, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account or sign up, of course. That's if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So here, let me just go open my Robinhood application. And as you can see, wait, it will just load for a bit. And here, as you can see, they are actually asking me to enter a PIN code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they will not ask you to do that. But the second time you enter the application, they will actually ask you to set a PIN code, then start using this PIN code whenever you went into the application or you go or open the application. So for me, my PIN code is just for zeros here. So if I type that down, I'll open the application. So that is actually the main screen of the application or the home screen. And of course, as you can see here, I would like to first of all verify your account, and you'll find a video on our channel on how to do that, and then add some fund to your account, at least $1, to have the full options to start using the Robinhood application, of course with using a VPN like you are in the United States. So if you have all of that, you will have the full options in your application. Then if you go to settings by clicking at your account at the bottom right corner, then click at your icon settings at the top left corner. Here, of course, if you click on the settings, you'll have here an option called beneficiaries. All you need to do, just go and click on that, then click on edit, then of course to add a new beneficiary, then change their information or delete an existing one. Of course, you can do that if you have the full options, as I said, and that will be actually for the tutorial. So I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.